All right, folks, we are back. And this time we're gonna be filming our everyday shenanigans. This is the Badgrass dude number 2.
No, I'm the one that makes it dudes.
Dudes. So we're gonna change the name. It's gonna be the Badgrass Dudes. But this video here is just gonna be a fresh start. So like, subscribe, share with your mother, share with your grandma, share with your wife. If you have a wife, send it to her sister. I don't know, I guess you can send it to your husband's friends. Anybody you want, just send these videos to them. We're gonna teach you a little bit about lawn care. We're gonna have just talks. I don't know, what else are we gonna do?
All sorts of stuff.
Just kind of the stuff,
tips and tricks of the game, stuff that we see every day, stuff that will tell you, hey, don't do this.
Yes, don't do certain things.
See a lot of weird things that we come across.
And if you want to learn some stuff, we'll teach you. If you just want to have a good time, we'll have some good times. But my truck is very messy, just like these bushes here. We're gonna trim these bushes here. We're gonna get them all trimmed up. I don't have a tripod, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of footage of trimming some bushes. Maybe Matt here can watch while I trim a few. Other than that, this is just gonna be the first back to the channel video, but we're going to try to teach you some things. So stick around. I've learned a lot. Matt here's been working for me for a while now, and he's learned a lot and seen a lot, and so we're gonna bring that knowledge to the channel.
Yep. And we're gonna have a good time doing it,
because we do it all day, every day. This is what we do. So I'm not gonna say we're the best, but we are. We're the best.
One of these days we might get a real job too.
Yeah. One of these days our family keeps telling us, ooh, go get a real job, but we don't want to. So we're gonna do YouTube, we're gonna trim bushes, and we're gonna do our other YouTube channels, which we'll introduce you to those here in the next couple videos. We'll get you started on those, but we do other YouTube stuff. But we just decided we're gonna do YouTube on this stuff because that's what we do all day. So here we go. Stay tuned for some bush trimming.
What kind of trimmer are you using?
Huh?
What kind of trimmer are you using?
Makita.
The battery powered one?
Makita, battery powered.
You like it?
I like it. I bought a few more so we could have some extra on hand. I usually go through a couple sets of batteries, but other than that, yeah, you just grab it and go. No gas, no worries. The only thing I've ever worried about is just like gas. Maybe run out of gas or something breaks. I run out of battery juice, but that's all right.
So on average, how long would you say the batteries last?
Depends on the size of bushes we're trimming. These ones aren't too bad. I don't have a lot of stuff, but there's some other ones that I got to take down a long ways, and they're pretty thick. I usually get a good couple hours maybe out of each battery. We'll work from about 7:30 to 11 or so, and I can go through like 2 sets of batteries. But it all depends on the bushes, how much I'm trimming. The lesser amount I've got to trim, just upkeep, I can go a lot longer than if I got to trim this down, you know, real far. Yeah. One thing thing I really love about this trimmer here is the ability to change the handle. Depending on what I'm trimming, I can change the handle and it'll lock in. I prefer like this. I can just pistol grip it. I can just, it's nice. All right, folks, check it out. We've got majority of this stuff tidied up. Big shout out to Matt getting stuff done. But now we're gonna rake up this stuff here and we're gonna get all these pine needles out of here and weed it and make this place look good. So stay tuned. Oh, hello again. Just in case y'all didn't know, we might post up some links down below for the hedge trimmer we use, some weed eater string. We found some good stuff that works really good. Really great price on Amazon. Go check it out. I'll post some links. But we've also are doing this building here now. In the springtime, we're gonna come in and take these way down. So those we're gonna cut. These we're gonna be taking the loppers, and we're gonna be cutting these way down here as well. And these will start to grow back. But you can see we're working on that building over there. And we're gonna introduce you to Skylar. I believe Skylar's been on here before. Maybe not, but he's doing this side here. He's got the longer gas-powered hedge trimmer. Working his way around. All right, guys, Skylar here, he's got his own company.
That's right, yep.
Now, rather than hiring a bunch of employees, I here utilize Skylar. I give him a lot of work.
Tons.
And he's part of the circle, so he's in the crew. He is using this steel trimmer, and before he had an extension here that probably extended it another 4 feet. So he is taking a break from that and put this other extender on so that he can just kind of get these shorter bushes. But for these bigger tall bushes, he's been putting that on. So Skylar,
Yeah.
me and Matt, we decided we're gonna start filming our shenanigans, our everyday stuff.
All right.
We've been trying to convince Skylar here to do some YouTube stuff. Along with the stuff we do for YouTube, we are going to get Skylar, well, we're trying to get Skylar to get a bank account.
Freedom Credit Union? Yeah, I knew where this was going.
Anyways, so part of business, right? This is the things we're going to teach you on this channel is things to do with your money. So what do we got to do? We've got to have a winter fund.
Yeah.
What if it doesn't snow? Well, we want to be okay. So we're going to work our butts off during the summer. We'll get that money, and then we're going to try to utilize that money to make us money. So Stay tuned. There are going to be some more videos on that, but that's just a little teaser on what we're trying to learn and teach and grow. And yeah, so stay tuned. Skylar's going to be on the channel more. He helps us out a couple days of the week.
Yep.
And we're going to film him doing some work, and we're just going to have fun with it. So subscribe, stick around, and we'll finish this up. All right, folks, that's almost gonna wrap it up for the work that we do at this place. But look at that. See that? See the difference that just made? Dang. Anyways, keep at it. Keep working hard. You see the sun? The sun's so bright. You like my hat? Hey, what do you have to say for today?
It looks a lot better than when we started.
Yes, it does.
That's what I got to say about that.
I think that's gonna wrap up the video. I got a little bit of stuff I talked to Skylar.
Cool.
Showed the second, I showed after, I showed this before and after. What else you gotta say? Send us out.
Sure. Try to think of something wise, but I'm not very wise. But I will say, it just takes a whole bunch of little things to make one big, great, good thing.
That's right.
No, that's not a good way to end it.
Yep, we're out of here. Bye.